Hey everybody, Chris Honig here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, and today I'm aboard our beautiful all-new 2026 Sea Ray 230 SDX. This is now the Sun Deck series with the 230, and an incredible redesign from the keel up. Spacious interior, everything is fantastic on this boat, and look forward to walking you through today. On the back end, we have the upgraded 300 horsepower Mercury in black to complement our beautiful black full hull color on this boat. Dune interior, really sharp with the black exterior, and a redesigned, fully configured area. Walking through with the sea deck, through the swim transom door, to the lounge, to storage underneath. You're gonna have major storage under here. I'll show you real quick. This is a huge plus here. You can have lots of different configurations for storage down there, but everything's so clean, wiring's done right, easy access to your bilge. And you'll also have a ski tow bar that will install down in there, and a ski tow bar up here on your sports tower with bimini. While I'm up here focusing on the sports tower, this is an all new sports tower that is electric. So you have a power tower now. Push of a button, this entire tower will lower down to the windshield to give you clearance to get onto your fixed bridges, dry storage, and even in a rainstorm, you can lower that down. Everybody can stay protected behind the windshield. Beautiful new wraparound windshield with the new Sea Ray 230, and just design aesthetics. Sea Ray really nailed attention to detail on this boat. When you come up into your cockpit area, you're gonna have very nice lounge seating throughout, storage underneath all your seats. So you have nice access to storage there, and then you have two seats for your pilot and your co-pilot that will adjust backwards and forwards so you can lounge reverse. And then you also have your bolster to sit up on to give you your clearance and height visibility above the windshield, and then can lower that down to sit comfortably underneath the windshield for protection. Beautiful acrylic dash. We have the twin 9-inch Simrad GPS chart plotters on here. Digital throttle and shift, so very easy with your power steering. That complements both very well for docking, ease of access on there. And then you have your Mercury auto active trim that will adjust the trim according to speed on the boat. Nice toggle switches for all your interior beautiful blue LED lighting, and then more accessory switches on board. And you can also control music and everything through your Simrad, but then you have your physical Fusion Bluetooth stereo for your co-pilot to handle that action. One of the biggest changes with the 230 SPX was the shift to having a lot more space on your starboard side. And if you'll take a look over here, that creates a really nice head area down below. So pull back top gives you access to your head. That is a pump out head. Have some filler cushions in there, actually creates a little bit of a day bed to get out of the elements. And just a fantastic feature with that on the 230. On the port side, lots of space for your co-pilot again. You have charging stations in a lockable glove box that's waterproof, and then more storage here. And that'll be where your table storage is for the bow, and you have one for the cockpit area on the boat. Beautiful teak tables. And then up front, you'll have a filler cushion that'll complement in to be really, really comfortable seating up here. Very deep on the new 230, and then you have your separate anchor locker. Also have a bow shade on this boat as well. That really gives you, when you're anchored up, nice access to be remaining on the boat all day with the sun. Storage underneath all these seats. But again, just a fantastic layout on our brand new 2026 Sea Ray 230 SDX outboard. Again, my name is Chris Honig, and I can be reached at 910-256-8100, and hope to get you out in the water soon.